Good afternoon from Parquet. Today we're going to walk you through a Osmo finished newly installed parquet floor. This shows you the sheen level of our Osmo Express satin oil finish, which dries in an amazingly fast time of 3 to 4 hours. And you can see that beautiful oak looking refined. Now it's been sanded and polished to 120 grit. We worked on 3 rooms, which was a hallway and 2 bedrooms, all connected to each other. So all had to be finished in one complete process. Once our 2 coats of oil were being applied, we then left it to dry for 24 hours for our clients to then move into their newly finished cottage with their newly finished parquet floors. The oak is French oak from the Normandy region of France and looks amazing with our oil finish applied. This is a extremely durable finish due to the complex mixture of oils and waxes in Osmo oil, and it's easy to maintain, easy to clean, and looks beautiful. I hope you enjoy watching our short video, and please feel free to contact us if you would like beautiful parquet floors in your home.